As businesses are closing across the country to stop the spread of the coronavirus, the administration is proposing up to $1 trillion in aid to help those affected by the shutdown. The plan includes sending checks directly to Americans.
Americans need cash now, and the president wants to get cash now. And I mean now, in the next 2 weeks.
Mnuchin now warning the unemployment rate could hit 20% if the government does not step in. More than 7 million jobs are now at risk at restaurants and bars across the country. In the travel industry, nearly 5 million jobs at risk, with hotel chains planning to furlough thousands of workers. The relief plan also includes $500 billion in a payroll tax cut, $50 billion for the airline industry, and $250 billion for small business loans.
With this invisible enemy, we don't want airlines going out of business. We don't want people losing their jobs or not having money to live when they were doing very well just 4 weeks ago.
It comes as the virus has now spread to all 50 states, and more than 100 Americans have died.
We're asking the young people to help us with this mitigation strategy by staying out of the bars, staying out of the restaurants, really trying to distance yourself.
At least 22 states activating the National Guard, and more than 36 states have canceled public schools. Healthcare workers are bracing for a surge in patients and a shortage of medical supplies. The Pentagon now providing 5 million respirator masks and 2,000 ventilators to Health and Human Services in response to the outbreak. The Defense Department is also making its 14 certified coronavirus testing labs available to test non-DoD personnel. The Navy is raiding 2 hospital ships for possible deployment to assist with patients who don't have the virus, freeing up valuable hospital beds. Meanwhile, Border Patrol will return to Mexico all immigrants entering the U.S. illegally, with the administration saying it cannot risk allowing the coronavirus to spread through detention facilities and beyond. George Thomas, CBN.